this record. Share my screen. All right, so is my screen visible now?
Okay.
Yes? Is that a yes or no? Can you guys see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. So this will be just a quick meeting since this is just a course introduction. Okay. So let's start with the homepage or start with me. So you guys already know my name. So this is my complete name, Dan Melbol S. Saavedra. So you can call me Sir Dan, Sir Mel, Sir Paul, Sir Saavedra, or whatever you want me to call, as long as it's a decent name, okay? Not a funny or whatsoever name that you're going to call. All right, so nothing's new. You guys already know my areas of interest. So yeah, I will not be reading them anymore. We'll just skip that part. Nothing is new. So this is a short welcoming message. And here's about your instructor. This is me. And this one will be delivered purely ODL. And here is the course learning outcome of this subject. So this course provides development, applying practical applications, and merging two or more technologies as one to act as another system. So here are the course learning outcomes that you will be able to learn once you're done with this subject. So at the end of the course, you will be able to discuss the basic concept of technology, its importance and its applications in engineering practice. Second is you will be able to discuss the features of a certain technology which can be merged with other technology. And then third, you'll be able to acquire proficiency in developing a new system using a high-level programming language. And fourth, you'll be able to design and modify the innovative system and programs using various arithmetic operations, controls, looping structures, and areas that students learn through the course. Okay. So we have one available ebook for this course. So just check this one out later on. So most of the topics came from this ebook. So this was made in collaboration with these three big universities. So we have the Bahir University, we have the Adama Science Technology University, and then we have the, what is this one? Addis Ababa. Okay. So this is a quite long PDF, but most of the topics were already summarized under the modules. Okay. So for now, I only published the week one, which is the evolution of technology, which is similar with the first one right here, the introduction to emerging technologies and then the evolution of technologies. And then data science, so I didn't get this one anymore because this one is quite a broad topic. We have artificial intelligence. We do have the IoT also. And then we do have the augmented reality. We do have the, where is it one? We have the virtual reality also. But where is it? Anyway, we also have the virtual reality, and then we have the combination of those, which is mixed reality, okay, which is not discussed in this PDF. Anyway, you want more probably information, then you can check other PDFs out there. But most cases, this is where I've got my this one presentation. Okay. And the rest are already the same. So we have 10 etiquettes, the things that you can do and cannot do inside a meeting or a Zoom meeting class. And then we have a video right here. So this is an external video, just in case that we have a say transcript, or this is his or her first time in using the Canvas. So do we have a transcript in this subject? Louis, seems like this is my first time, reading your name, Louis B. Are you an old student here in using or a transfer?
Yes, sir. Old student, sir.
Paano ngayon ko na nakita yung last name? Then the rest are very familiar to me. Yan. except your last name. So we do also have a Lumi, but not Kitel. Is that really your last name, Kitel? Or how do you pronounce your last
Keetal, sir.
name? Kitel.
Yes, sir.
I see. Okay, so nice to meet you, Kitel.
Thank you, sir.
Naging instructor mo na ba ako before? Ano, baka hindi lang kita napapansin.
No, sir.
Ay, first time to, di ba?
Oh, sir.
Hindi ko alam kung paano nangyari yun. But anyway, baka ibang baka si Ma'am Tere or si Ma'am Suarez, yung mga naging instructor. Anyway, that's it for the homepage. So of course, you can check here the syllabus. So we have 3 links for that one. Click this one for syllabus, or the syllabus right here, or just simply on the left side syllabus. So all of them will lead you to the same link, which is one. So everything is pretty much the same, since this is the standard format that I'm using for my syllabus. So the most important part is the course content. So in here, you will see the topics that will be discussed under week 1, under week 2 and 3, under week 4, under week 5 and 6, week 7, 8, 9, up to 12. Okay. So you will see right here that week 1 to week 6 is about 2 topics only. First one is introduction to or evolution to technology or technology. And then the rest, 2 to 6, is actually about cloud computing. Okay, so here you will be taught the basics of cloud computing. Well, these are just the famous cloud computing out there. We actually have hundreds or thousands of different companies offering a cloud computing service. Okay, it's just that we have here the Azure, we have the Amazon Web Service, we have the Google Cloud Platform, and yeah, just those 4 only, and then their comparisons with each other. So which one's the best, which one's better, which one is more budget friendly, something like that. Okay. And then week 7 to 12 will be the coverage for your finals. So the first one is DevOps. What is DevOps? And then what is hyper automation? And then 9 to 12 is now about reality. So we'll start with augmented, followed by virtual, and then a combination of those 2, which is now mixed reality. Okay. So for now, everything that will be taught to you guys under this subject is concepts, of those. So there is no final project yet. So I'm still thinking of a way wherein we'll be able to merge 2 technology. But for now, those are the technologies that uses a merging technologies, especially this one. So it's a combination of those existing technologies. So the same with the cloud computing. So in every technology right now, they're using cloud computing. So that is why this one is super essential when it comes to emerging technologies. Okay. Anyway, so yeah, that is it for the syllabus, and then the rest are pretty much the same. So you guys already know, what is the basis of evaluation. Of course, we get your grade and everything. Everything is recorded except the practice exercises, which I haven't made yet. So there is no practice exercises yet. But yeah, basically everything that is under assessment and then under discussion or interaction with student, which is the case study number 1, number 2, and so on and so forth. All of them are recorded. So just make sure that you will get at least 60% in everything in order for you to, pass this subject. Okay. So any questions so far or clarification on the syllabus? If none, just give me a quick thumbs up or just use your mic. Don't be shy to speak. Or you can just simply chat, no questions in our chat box. All right. So if there are no more questions, then we can now proceed to the module. So in here, there are some new tabs, which is new. So let's start with the course information video or course guide. So whatever we are doing right now, that is already the course information video. So basically this one is blank. you will not see anything. So I'll just upload this one on YouTube and then we'll put here the link. Okay, so that is the course information guide or the course guide. Second is the link to synchronous sessions. So yeah, I already did put, wait a second, this one is May 11. Where did you guys connect in our Zoom meeting? Is it on my announcement or under this page? I think this one is incorrect.
Announcements.
Announcement. Okay, so I will just update this one right now. I'll just simply delete this one since this one is not correct. Okay. So if you cannot find the link on my, an announcement, probably it's under the link synchronous session. So just double check this one from time to time, every time that we're going to meet. Okay, via Zoom. And next one is the exam schedule. So your midterm exam will be on June 17. So of course, it will start exactly 3:30 to 7:30 p.m. only. And then your final exam will be on August 6. Okay, so 3:30 to 7:30 p.m. Okay, so just do take note on those dates. And for the guide consultation, so you will see here my available time. We're in Monday. I have this as my free times, 11:30 to 7 p.m. And then, as you guys can see, we don't have Tuesday since Tuesday. Every Tuesday I am fully loaded, so I won't be able to, have a meeting or will be able to answer your queries. And Wednesday, I only have this one as my free time, 1:30 to 3:30, so 2 hours only. And then for the Thursday stream, 1:30 to 3:30 only. And then on Friday, I have this one as my active time, so 7:30 p.m. Why 7:30 p.m. to 3:30 p.m.? I think this one is 11:30. Let's change this one, 11:30 p.m. to 3:30 p.m. Let me just recall my Friday meetings. Meron akong 7 to 11, 11 to 1:30. Okay. Because 1:30 to 3:30 is my data struct, and then this one right now, 3:30 to 7:30 is our emerging technologies. Okay. So yeah, it's only 11:30 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. So it's just 2 hours. And then every Saturday, I'm taking my master's. That is why I didn't put that one as my available consultation session. And then, of course, Sunday is family day. It's rest day for everybody. So if ever that you have a question on Saturday or Sunday, so just make that one or just send that one on Monday. Okay. Since I think I won't be able to answer you guys on Saturdays and Sundays. I don't open my social medias or Canvas on Saturday and Sunday. Okay. But of course, if it's really a super urgent thing, it's really, really important that you need the answer right away. Well, of course, you can still message me. Okay. So no problem with that. As long as I'm free and that specific time, then I will answer, I will read and answer your query. Okay. So I hope we're clear with the consultation session. And then the next one, this one is still old. So just pledge that everything that you will do under this course is your work. Okay. So you didn't cheat, you didn't plagiarize, you didn't conduct any dishonesty. Okay, so just answer this one. Okay, you pledge that it will be your own work. You pledge not to allow others to copy. Okay, so it's also another type of cheating. So allowing others to copy your work, and then they will present your work as their work. So that is also dishonesty. Okay, and then you pledge not to commit any acts of plagiarism. You pledge to oppose every instance of academic dishonesty. You pledge not to lie, not to cheat, not to steal. So yeah, everything is pretty much the same. So just agree on everything. So saying that you're being honest with whatever you're going to do under the subject, and then just hit understand and then submit. Okay, and then there is one new another one new tab right here, which is the academic integrity. So just read this one. This one is in form of survey, but this one is just in form of enumeration or enumerated information, wherein you're not going to plagiarize, you're not going to fabricate data, you're not going to falsify or alter a record, etc., etc. Okay, and just watch this short video. Just to call this one parang buksan, to open your conscience, okay, if ever there is. And the next one is this is also a new one, study tips to succeed as an online student. So just check this one out. This might help you on how to, do your things a bit more better. So this is just a 2-minute video. Okay, so just watch this one. Okay, so just plan your study time ahead, etc., etc. Okay, and then the only thing that well, this is the most important part under week 0. So you guys should answer this one. This is getting to know you better. So this is also an old one. This is where you're going to introduce yourself. So just dictate your name, where you came from, what gadgets you're using, and then what connectivity you have right now, and then your expectation to this course and to me as your instructor and your subject, and then other things that you might want to say. Okay, so as of now, there's only one who submitted an introductory video. So I guess still have 2 weeks from now, since I put here as your due date is May 27. This is to give chance for those who might enroll this subject. So are we clear so far under week 0? Hello, can you guys hear me? Are you guys still around?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, for the week 1, I already did publish this one. Okay, so just check this one out. This one is the PDF wherein it will discuss the evolution of technology. So in here, you will see the basics of basics. So even though I will not discuss this one right now, I'm pretty sure that you guys will be able to follow this one without me. Okay, just by reading that one on yourself. I don't know why it's loading quite long, but yeah, just read this one out. And then we have one assessment right here, which is a research work. So just answer is one. So just list all the technologies you know that were used or still used right now by computer engineers. So take note, must be a technology that is being used right now by computer engineers only. And then, so you can have maybe 5, okay? So, or 5 at least a minimum. So you can list all if you want. If you can find 20 or 50 or 100, then feel free to that one. But the minimum is 5, okay? And then each technology, write a brief history and when, where, and how it started, and then what is the purpose of that technology. Okay, and then one last thing is why it is not being used right now on the modern days, or why is it still being used up to today. Okay, so it could be a technology that was being used 50 years ago, and then right now it's not being used nowadays. So just dictate why. Or it could be still, a technology that was used before and it's still being used today, okay, as in this modern days. Okay. So yeah, just do that one on the Microsoft Word and then just submit it right here. This one is incorrect. Let me just remove this one. This one is not July 15, 2023. Okay. So the due date will be on May 20. So you guys have 1 week from now to do this research. Right? So any questions so far regarding with the first assignment or activity?
Sir.
Okay. And then for the last one, so this case study is actually quite similar with your research work. So in here, thinking, so of course you'll be given a facts and then a question. So for the fact, thinking or inventing a new technology might be a little hard, so especially if the one that you think doesn't exist yet actually existed and is now being started by someone or a group of people, say inventors, scientists, or researchers, of course. No one knows. Okay, so of course, you might think that still or it doesn't exist yet, but actually in reality, it's now being created by someone. Okay, just list here one invention which you think doesn't exist yet. Okay, so just include the following: title or the name of the technology, short definition or purpose of the technology, and then when do you think it will be invented or will become possible here, right? And then what would cause humanity why they started using that technology. Okay. Now, here's a thing enable for you to check if it exists or doesn't exist. If you cannot find a related article or a similar article with what you are looking for, say with that technology that you are searching, then that only means that that technology doesn't exist. Okay. So if it's just an idea, it's okay as long as there is no proof that it was already made by someone, okay, where it's already being used nowadays. Okay, if it's just a concept, if it's just a theory, we are still okay as the non-existing technologies since they are just theory, not yet proven to be working. If it's really possible. Okay, so this is a 20 points case study. So any questions so far? If none, just give me a quick thumbs up if you were able to follow everything and understand everything. Okay. All right, so great. Now, let me just show this one to you. Under week 2, what I let them do before is that aside from this existing cloud computing, this famous cloud computing the AWS, Azure, etc., I made them a report. I let them do a report wherein you're going to discuss a it could be any cloud computing platform as long as it's not the same with what I have in here. Okay, so we have IBM, we have DigitalOcean, we have Alibaba, we have Salesforce, Serverspace, Oracle. Well, this one is actually already in here, Microsoft Azure. Anyway, and then we have Liquid Web, we have Kamatara, and so on and so forth. Okay, so what I'm planning to do right now is will not let you guys do this, kind of reporting, but I'm still planning to give this one as your, additional resources or additional information just in case that you might need them in the future. Okay, and then these reportings will be part of your midterm exam. Okay, so don't you guys worry. I think even though there's quite a lot of different cloud computings, they're just like maybe 5 to 10 slides, so it's not that quite long. So yeah, this is just a short presentation about this specific cloud computing. So you guys will have a different assessment. Okay, we're going to have a different assessment under module 2. Okay, so I'm still finalizing things. So just wait for my announcement on what would it be. So for now, we have this web hunt, but of course this will be discussed next week since this one is under week 2. Okay. So yeah, I don't know what happened. Why it is taking so long to load. So yeah, you will see here the brief history of, just the essential, and then what is this one, what is server space, what are the features, where the uh, where it is being used, okay, how many servers do they have, and so on and so forth. Okay, so you guys will be able to see this one next week. So for now, just focus on doing the research work and then the case study number 1. All right. So any question or clarification so far? None, I guess. I would assume that there is no more question. Now we only have 2 minutes left. So before we end our meeting, I would like you guys to open your cameras so I can see your, present faces. Because probably this is, the what is one? The first and last. Okay, because I don't really require everybody to open their cameras. Okay, come on, guys, just this few remaining minutes. Okay, so thank you so much, Mr. Roland. Okay, thank you, Mr. Ryan, Miss Maxine, Mr. Cinder. What about the others?
Sir, sira po connector ng camera ko.
Okay lang. Sige, huwag mo nang yapin. Mr. Jan, Miss Giselle, Mr. Joel, Mr. Louis. Who else? That opens your cameras. I think those people only. So thank you so much. I appreciate your effort in opening your cameras. So goodbye, and let's just meet again next week. Okay. So
Thank you, sir.
bye. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, and goodbye.
Wala ka.